tiegruok mamalo. Riwruok mar jopuonj mag mbalariany UASU owuok tung' mosuo gi sirkal wi dwaro mar keto mbalariany mag piny owacho e lwet ji giwegi. Jotend UASU wacho ni ok gimor gi okang' makamano ma giwacho ni biro ketho ngadho mar somo e pacho ka. Bende gidhi nyime gi ywak e wi midhiero ma okwako sekta mar somo ahinya mar mbalariany ma Thurka.
If you privatize university, what will happen to poor Kenyans who cannot afford to pay? Education is a public good that cannot be left in the hands of privatizers. I also told you that let nobody cheat you that the government has got investors from Indonesia and the US. They can go to Indonesia, register a company there, pretending that it is from Indonesia or US, but it is theirs.
We are destroying our education system in Kenya when we are trying to talk about privatization in our education sector. It is high time we start thinking about proper funding soon and not very far. We are waking up. We may think you have been dormant, but we are erupting. And the eruption is only one gear. We must make sure that our education system, our universities, public universities, are well taken care of by the government of the day.